Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to save your Spotify Wrapped 2022 on your phone. So first of all, please make sure that you have downloaded your Spotify account or your Spotify application, and then go ahead and open the application. If not, go to App Store, and from here you can search for Spotify like so, Spotify, and from here you can open Spotify. If you don't have it, just download it from here, and yeah, if you have it already, just update it. Now let's go ahead and open Spotify just like so. Let's go search for it. Okay, in here you can, from this circle here, you can just update your settings. You can connect your account, and so make sure that you are connected to your account, and again make sure that your slider in here is showed. If not, you can just delete the app and download it again, or if it still doesn't work for you, just click on settings and go to general and iPhone storage, and from here you can search for Spotify just like so, and from here you can just click on offload app and it will be ready for you to use. So now let's go ahead and go there, Spotify, click on this story, let's mute it, and let's click on the second one. Let's skip the first one because you can't really download the first one. Now after you skip to the second one, you can just wait a couple seconds after it's skipped this text in here, and from here you can click on share this story like so, and from here you can click on download, click on OK, and just like so your Spotify, your Wrapped Spotify 2022 is downloaded on your phone. You can now see it on library or your videos on your gallery. So that was it with this tutorial for today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.